1 week to go until the Honor Magic V3's big reveal, and we've already got our first look thanks to a bunch of leaked images and videos on Weibo. You guys, these leaks are juicy. The pics and videos show the Magic V3 in all its glory, flaunting blue, red, and white versions. This thing is supposed to be the world's thinnest foldable smartphone, at least until Xiaomi decides to crash the party with their Mix Fold 4. Circle July 12th on your calendars because that's when Honor is officially rolling out the Magic V3 in China, alongside the Magic V3S, Magic Pad 2, and Magic Book Art 14. The Magic V3 is rumored to be even slimmer than the Magic V2, which measures 156.7 by 74.1 by 9.99 millimeter. Honor's taking thin to a whole new level here. But wait, there's more. It's not just about being thin. The Magic V3 is packing some serious upgrades. Although Honor's playing it coy and hasn't revealed all the specs yet, the rumor mill is buzzing about Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor being under the hood. And let's talk cameras. The setup might look the same as before, but with a neat upgrade. The periscope camera now boasts 3.5x optical zoom, up from the Magic V2's 2.5x. Now, what's keeping this beast alive? A hefty 5,000 mAh battery with 66 watt wired charging support. That's right, no waiting around forever for your phone to juice up. A listing also confirmed satellite connectivity feature. And with a solid 16 gigs of RAM, it's ready to handle just about anything you throw at it. We're not sure yet if there will be different RAM options, but expect a variety of models with different storage capacities, just like the Magic V2. And for those of you outside China, don't worry. The Magic V3 will be hitting international markets. It might take a little time though. Honor's likely to stagger the release, so sit tight for about a month after the China launch. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the launch date. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.